So I just received my Sparkr Mini. This is a plasma lighter and flashlight. I ordered it off of Kickstarter about 8 months ago. Finally came. So I thought I'd do an unboxing and show you. It looks like a nice box here. Came with an owner's manual. Pretty cut and dry. There's a 300 milliamp hour battery, 5 watt micro USB, 25 lumen light. Pretty cool for a lighter. Let's pull it out of there. Looks like there's a charging cable. Probably of dubious Chinese quality, I would guess. Well, I could be wrong. It's a nice light here. Looks like you've got your flashlight button. Probably gotta hold it down. Yep, it stays on. Pretty bright. Let's go ahead and flip it open here. Okay. It works just as advertised. Cool. I like the Zippo style flipper there to hold it open. Let's zap myself with it. Oh, burned the shit out of me. And it works. That's pretty sweet. Didn't hurt as bad as you would think, but it definitely works. So let's light a smoke with it. Sure, it lights. It lit my finger on the fire here.